Hi, what's up dear, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to industrial controller repair. So I am opening the controller back part and I connecting 110 volt and 24 volt cables the motherboard's pin. So now for testing, now breaker on, it is not power show and display is not power on. Okay, now I opening the controllers. So controllers, 3-part controllers, I am opening one parts and I checking the at first transformer because display is not power show. Then so I at first open the transformer from the board. So I matching find out one pins secondary transformers cables. So now I open the transformer and I see the one pin is broken. Now one pin is soldering and some aerolite gum to hardly the cables. After I will fittings the transformer to board. Now soldering is okay and aerolite gum is okay, and heating the aerolite gums for hardening. So okay, now transformer fittings, one pin is soldered. After I will next pin soldering. At first fittings the board and I one piece cable tie tighten the transformer and motherboard. So whole pin is fittings. Just wait, it is industrial knitting machine controller. So this controller is power not often, now power on, and it's working maybe. So I all pin soldering the transformers. So all pin soldering now. Here completed the soldering and I cable tie tighten the circuit board and transformer. So now I checking it, just 220 110 volt input provided and secondary volt. Okay, now I finishing the board by the thinner. So I am fittings all board, all card fittings controllers. So I think it's working properly. So dear all, if you any problem the controller, motherboard, PLC, HMI, panel board, etc., then you can knock me and I will try to full support you. Okay, now I testing and breaker on.